Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seema. I make videos in lifestyle, fashion and beauty kind of stuff. So if you think you would be interested in those kind of things, then consider subscribing and join my YouTube family. So today's video is about a product that I received through Influencer Voxbox. Uh, so this is my very first Influencer box and I'm so excited about it. Um, for those of you who do not know what Influencer is, Influencer is an app where you can go and create your free profile and just basically connect all your social media, and based of your social media presence and your followers, they could pick you for their product campaign, and they will send you a free product. All they want in exchange is just your honest opinion and reviewing the product. That's how it works. You cannot do anything about it. You can just share products, share reviews, and make sure your profile is all complete. It's something that they pick you. If they don't pick you, you will not get anything. So but I was so surprised when I got this box because there's something going on between Google and Influencer app, and I was not able to connect my YouTube channel to Influencer app. And my YouTube is the biggest my social media chat platform, and I was surprised because based on only my Instagram I got this box, and still I got this product for their next campaign. So I'm super happy, excited, and I was kind of shocked at the same time. So Influencer app was kind of created for the consumers to kind of have like a good idea of any product before buying and read all the reviews and stuff. And they have like all sorts of products. They have skincare, beauty, hair, makeup, cosmetic, like food. Even they have like a lot of family and kids and stuff. Even if you think you do not have YouTube channel but still have like a Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, you can still do that, and you never know, you might get a box just for giving honest opinion and honest review. So I think it's a pretty good deal for anyone. And any product you get, it's usually full size, it's not the travel size, so that's a really great deal. So in this box I got by the company Philosophy. It's called Purity Oil-Free Made Simple Mattifying Moisturizer with vitamins and bamboo extract. I love their slogan, Philosophy: when life is complicated, purity is simple. Love it. So this is a full-size moisturizer. It's 4.7 ounces. Its retail price is Philosophy website sells it for $28, and at Sephora is for $25, and I got it for free. Um, so this product promises, I have this card here, so let's try to read here. Moisturize your skin for a healthy matte finish and less visible pores. And this moisturizer is almost 5-star rated. I saw it Sephora, I saw it Amazon, and their website is almost like 4.8 kind of rating. So everybody seems like loving this product. So it says experience all day moisture without the shine. So this moisturizer is really famous, popular, and high rated, because if you have oily skin, this is like a bomb. That's what I heard. I do not have oily skin. I have very dry skin, so I don't know how it's going to work for me, but I'm gonna give it a shot and see, if it works for me or not, because all the reviews what I read and heard, it was mostly for oily skin people. So it says Purity Made Simple Oil-Free Mattifying Moisturizer has a quick absorbing velvety formula that delivers 24 hydration. So it sounds like it should be okay for dry skin people, because I feel like I need a lot of hydration kind of stuff because my skin is so dry. Designed for combination to oily skin types, it gives a healthy matte look with less visible pores. After 3 days, 90% reported a visible reduction of excess oil on skin surface. 89% reported their skin felt matte and balanced. 86% reported their skin looked a lot healthier. So that's pretty good stats, I would say. What I'm going to do is, as they're saying, in within 3 days, a lot of people, 86 to 90% people, saw some kind of difference. So for next 3 days, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use just this product moisturizer for next 3 days and see if I get any kind of benefit. Like, seems like from like 86% to 90% people saw some sort of difference in their skin look. I would be happy if my skin just looks a little healthier, because I don't know, since I don't have oily skin, so I might not see some other benefits, but as long if it can give me enough hydration, I would be happy. So yeah, so I will be filming in next 3 days and see how my skin looks to start to finish, and we'll just compare. So we'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna film day 1, day 2, day 3, and then we'll just compare. Hi guys, so this is day 1. This is morning. I'm gonna use my usual cleanser. I use this Korean cleanser. I do not have Philosophy cleanser, but I'm not gonna use any other product. We'll just use this cream for next 3 days, and we'll see. We'll just compare, from day 1, day 3, if I see any kind of difference. I do have a little bit breakout or a little acne or pore, something like I have this thing here. Let's see if it fixes anything, if I see any benefit, if it fixes this or not. But I don't have any other problem on my face. A little bit dry skin. We'll see how my skin looks on 3rd day. So I'm gonna just wash my face with this cleanser, and then we'll apply that. So my skin looks like this after just washing my face clean. Like I said, I don't have any other pore or acne except this one right here. I hope it disappear after 3 days. So now I'm just gonna use this. So direction just says use in the morning and in the evening on clean dry skin. So skin is all clean, dry, and Vaseline, kind of like very slippery, very it feels very light, but like very slippery, very like, I think the Vaseline would be the closest I can think of. I think you just need a little bit. I took too much in my hand. I'm gonna use one more time before I go to bed, nighttime, and then let's see how I feel all day, because in normal times I use moisturizer once in the morning when I wake up after washing my face, and one time before going to bed. So let's see how I feel with this cream. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. So this is day 2, and I'm seeing here, you see here dry patches. I usually don't see that. So I don't know, that cream was not enough, like twice a day for me. And I see some dry patches here, and bunch of like here, see I got some like some pores here, and I just don't like, you know, dry patches on my face. So I don't know if I need to put more than 2 times. So today is the third day. I tried in the morning and this is at night, so then see how it looks by tomorrow morning. I noticed one thing, that pore I had on day one, it kind of dried up very fast. I barely see here now. So let's see. There's the one here, if it can dry up that one too. I love the smell. So many people complain about the smell. Smell is bad, but I'm opposite. I'm loving the smell. I honestly think its cream is really good for oily skin people. Since I have dry skin, and I just don't feel like it's giving me enough hydration. It definitely absorbs all the oil, and I think that's why I see some dry patches on my face, which is not the ideal situation in my case. But I think my husband has oily skin, and I'm gonna make him try and see how it works for him. It will be better on for his skin than mine. But other than dry patches, I like the smell. I like it's so soft, silky, velvety. You know, it's not greasy. I hate greasy and sticky cream, so it's not that. So I love the cream, no doubt about it. The only complaint I have is gives me little dry patches, and I feel like I need more hydrating cream. So for that reason, I'm gonna recommend this cream for oily skin people more than dry skin. I like all the formula, I like the smell, I like the texture of it. That would be my review, and okay, I'll see you later.